Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, Google has launched the new interface for users. Okay, so let's get it. So first open the Google Chrome. Okay, and this is a normal Google Chrome. You should be seeing like this now. Okay, so Google Chrome has not officially launched it, but we can still enable this. So how to enable this? So make sure your first of all Google Chrome is updated. So go to three dots and then settings, and you need to scroll down and look for about Google Chrome and make sure the version is 117. You need to have 117 version. If not, you can check for update 1 to 2 times and it will launch the 117 official build. Okay, so once you enable that, just go to this tab, or you can also search from here, and then you need to type here flex, FLAGS, this option, and hit enter. Okay, once you hit enter on the search bar flex, you need to type there refresh. Okay, and you will see here Chrome refresh 2013 and Chrome web interface refresh 2023. Just you need to enable this option, both two option. Okay, and once you enable both two option, again you need to search here Chrome site. Okay, and you will see here customize Chrome site panel. Just enable this option as well only and relaunch the Google Chrome. Now you will see, okay, there is a new interface. You can see here, if I open the new tab, and you can see there is lot of customization in the Google Chrome. Okay, you can manage accordingly and you can choose multiple, like the user who logged in your Google Chrome, as well as the good option for here customization Chrome. You can see there are multiple interface. You can see you can change it from here, or you can make it dark, make it light, and you can see, and you can also choose from here. You can see here it is showing the managing different tab. Okay, so what's our new here? So the interface is different, and bookmarks and all the other thing you can see here, it's different and showing clearly. Okay, and if you want to re-enable the old version from your Google Chrome, just go to that option and type there same option. If you don't like it, just default and default, and let me again type Chrome site. Okay, and default this option as well and relaunch it. It will launch the old Google Chrome, you can see here, but I can suggest you can still use the latest Google Chrome, and this is not officially like launched, but it is it will launch in some time, and you should get the option of other different update from the Google Chrome. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech, and I will see you in the next video.